Hello friends! Welcome back to today's video. So today's video is going to be some really good laundry motivation. I've got a ton of laundry to do and I thought I'd just film it and share it with you. By the way, I just got out of the shower and I thought I'd hurry and get this filmed for you guys. But yeah, I'm going to show you kind of around my laundry room and kind of show you what I have going on here. And then we'll get on into the video. So as you can see, I've got this big basket here of laundry. That is like my hang up stuff. Same with this pile here. And on the floor here I also have a bunch of like towels and rags for my husband, car washing and detailing some cars this weekend. And then I have this big old basket of clothes, a little bit of there, and then this comforter here. So yeah, that's what I got to do, and I think I have some laundry in my laundry basket in my bathroom as well. So I'll get that done too, and then we'll get to fold all of this in this video as well. This may be a 2-day thing, so you may see me change my clothes. I'm not sure what all I can get done today, but that's probably what's going to happen. So, yeah. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. Do all the fun things and nice things. And, yeah, let's just get on into this laundry motivation video.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is.
Okay, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and just let you know that the clothes I just took out of the dryer that you saw me do, like you saw me put them in the washing machine and then you saw me take them out of the dryer. That is because late last night I hurried and changed it and didn't end up filming it. So that is the reason why it kind of skips the process of me putting it into the dryer. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to mention in that. But now I'm going to begin folding these two, sorry, I can't really see, these two very large baskets of clothes while I watch a movie. Can't really see it on the TV, but yeah, so we're going to deal with these. These are actually not quite dry yet, so I probably will not be putting these away in this video because they're not dry. I think I'll have to wait one more day for them to dry completely. But yeah, let's get started on folding all of this laundry.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. Every move that I'm making.
Okay guys, that is all for today's laundry motivation video. I really hope you got some good motivation out of it. I had a ton of laundry to do. There was a ton of folding, and so I feel like there was a lot to get done. So I really do hope that you got some sort of motivation out of it. But yeah, again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!